We all know that DOOGEE likes to do a lot of novel designs on rugged phones. The S98 series that we have reviewed looks different from other rugged phones. Today, we're going to look at their new design, S61 Pro, which once again refreshes our perception of rugged phone design. This time the box is not a big box like the S98 series, but a yellow box. The accessories inside are the same accessory that most rugged phones have, a manual and warranty card, an anti-explosion film, and screen protector accessories. There is also a film that has been pre-applied on the phone, a SIM card pin, charger, and data cable. This time also comes with a wrist rope, saving $1. That's all the accessories in the box. Now let's take a good look at the design of the S61 Pro. From the appearance, you can see that this is not an ordinary rugged phone. At least I have never seen a rugged phone with a transparent back cover. It reminds me of the Mi 8 Explorer Edition, which also uses a transparent back cover design. You can see the circuit board inside the S61 Pro through the back cover, very geeky design style. I believe many people will like it. The two sides are made of a honeycomb anti-slip finish. The middle design that looks like a wireless charging coil is actually an NFC coil. Please note it is only a $130 entry rugged phone. No wireless charging is very reasonable. The headphone jack is of course also there. SIM card slot also support 2 nano SIM card and TF card. Another thing I like is that it only weighs 266 grams, which is light for many rugged phones that are over 300 grams. It's also about the same size as a regular phone, and with its special appearance, you really feel like you are using a regular phone instead of a rugged phone when you hold it in your hand. I really like the smaller rugged phone, at least my pants don't fall down anymore. Some people may ask, without the protection of backplate, the circuit board would not be damaged by exposure to the sun? The answer is no, because this circuit board is only decorative. The real motherboard in this circuit board below. How do I know? Because I took the whole back panel off to confirm. This back panel is made of plastic and there's a risk of scratching if you use it for a long time. You can also remove it yourself and replace it with your own DIY backplate, but I don't recommend that you do that because you will lose the warranty. We replaced it with the official wood grain backplate, which also looks beautiful. This 6-inch LCD screen, like other rugged phones, is nothing special in terms of specs and basically meets your usage needs. Even so, I still like one of the points. It's a full rectangular screen rather than a hole punch or water drop screen. The rugged phone is not likely to have a narrow bezel anyway, so why not give us a full screen, right? As you can see, the S61 Pro has only 2 lenses, the main camera plus a night vision camera. And there's not much I can say about the camera system. It can record daily life or scan QR codes without any problem. That's enough for this phone. The S61 Pro uses a MediaTek Helio G35 processor with a score of 137,000 on AnTuTu. We can see that it's only an entry-level processor, but that doesn't mean it can't play games. Thanks to PUBG's optimization for entry phones, the ultra-smooth graphics can be capped at 30 FPS, which is an acceptable level. The system is also the latest Android 12. The battery capacity is 5,180 mAh, which is not big, but it is understandable because the size and weight have been reduced. Officially, it also says that the standby time is at least 600 hours, so 2 days without charging should not be a problem. Waterproof ratings like IP68 are also available, meaning that the phone will not enter water in water depth of up to 1.5 meters. The S61 Pro is a budget rugged phone, but it is also a budget rugged phone with the most special design. Even for more money, you will be hard-pressed to see a more special rugged phone. Who wouldn't like a transparent phone? And at only $130, it doesn't seem so difficult to bring it home. For those who have a need for good looks and lightweight, buying an S61 Pro as a pure communication tool is a good choice. This is Will from Gizmochina, and we will see you next time.